Part of my goals for 2024 is learning how to do my makeup, and by learning I'm just showing you guys my trial and error. So today I'll be teaching you guys how I came up with this look. If you want to know how I came up with this look, then keep on watching. So today, let's start. I'll be using this wipes just to clean my face. So I'll be cleaning my face first to just wipe out any product that is on my face. After cleaning my face, I'm going with this MAC moisturizer. After my moisturizer, then I'll go in with my primer, a little bit of the primer. The next thing is I go with this foundation. I'm using this damp beauty blender. This is very soft. You need to put it inside water, and I'm going to use it to apply my foundation to my face. If there is something I find really hard to do when it comes to my makeup, is my brows, and that's what we are going to be doing now. Brush to just comb my brows up. So this is the mouth, and I'll just use it to can you see I'm not applying any pressure, I'm just like. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll be using this Zekel concealer to outline my brows using this. I'll be using my foundation for the upper part of the brows, so you just need a little bit of it. Then I go in with my puff to blend out the concealer under. Applying my foundation, and I have done my brows. I don't know if it's looking good, but I think I tried. Then I'll be applying my concealer under my eye. To be using this same concealer from Zekel. Then I'll just apply a little bit here, just like that. Then I'll be blending it with the part that I use for my foundation. Or your under eye, you hold the puff like very smooth, and you like look up down to your nose, and you take it up. After blending my concealer, I'll be adding another shade of concealer that is a little bit lighter than my normal skin, and I'll be using Zekel product as well. A brush to apply that lighter foundation under my eyes, just a little bit. If you are not good at using your brush to blend out your concealer, please do not do that. I don't do that. I use my puff, but I use this just to apply it. After doing that, I let it sit for some minutes before blending it out, because I believe it makes it give me more coverage under my eyes. Blending out my concealer under my eyes, but I will not be like drawing it like this too much. And you just take it like look up, then tap. I'll be going in with a powder that is a little bit lighter than my shade for my under eyes, just to like set it. I think that's the word, just like set it. Then I go in with this setting powder. I will let it sit for some minutes before I blend it out. A little bit of concealer. So I'm ready to take out the setting powder. Just apply the eyeshadow. Then we are done with the eyeshadow. I don't know how to draw it, but we are doing that. So after 2 hours of trying to put in these lashes, they are finally there, like to some extent, just to make this look complete. I'll be using my puff, one side of my puff, to apply the blush. Now so this is the final result of our makeup video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video.